ELA8 memoir adding again. Dear writers, here's your video. Ignite. Have you been thinking about your memories? Chew on it. Today, try starting by reading through your memoir. Pick one of the 4 to start with and make sure to do all 4. Plot, especially a problem. Edits. Is the story told in order? Dialogue. Add people talking and what they say. You are so funny. Revisions. Checking for some sort of problem to make sure there is drama. Work directions. Open Google Docs, find memoir, share with Jacqueline Stocker. Plot, especially a problem. Edits. Order your story from beginning, middle, and ending. Add dialogue. Who gets to talk in your story? Revisions. Look over for errors, weak spot, and areas to improve spots. Give to a family member or friend to read. Exit ticket. If you are available, what time works best for you to come to a writer's conference? Monday, Wednesday, or Thursday, 2:40 to 4, or excuse me, 9:40 to 11, Tuesday or Friday. Google Meets code FAUST-ELA, sentence starter, I can meet. Thank you.